Breaking news alerts. Hello everyone, I am Anushka Tyagi here with exciting update just for you all. Skilling You TV channel has launched a free WhatsApp communication group where over 70 participants share daily thoughts on new topic, receiving valuable feedback to enhance their skills. With over 4 lakh of users, only a few have joined this group, making huge strides in their learning journey.
Hi, ma'am. Hello, everybody. How's it going? How's life treating you all? I am Vanshika Bharti from Janpur Tehra, and in this video, I'm going to talk about breaking news. Literally, it is more sustainable to you all. So, let's get started. So, Skilling You become the best platform to speak English in the fluent way. It is best platform for all those rookie, for all those people who literally want to speak English in the fluent way, who literally want to improve the speaking skill, who literally want to improve their fluency, who literally want to improve their vocabulary, who literally want to improve their pronunciation. So, and in the last week, in this weekend, we have the online classes of Amar sir and Sakshi ma'am.
Good evening. Welcome all. I am Renu reporting to you from the Skilling You app. Let's have a look today's breaking news related to Amar sir and Madam Sakshi. Amar sir is doing really great job. Your hard work and dedication really paid off. Skilling You is so impressed with your presentation skills. Amar sir is very natural. Amar sir's attention to detail is exceptional and it shows in the quality of his work. Now coming to Madam Sakshi. Sakshi Madam is doing a fantastic job by leading this team. Under her leadership, skills of Skilling You are inspiring. Your positive attitude and energy.
Good evening, everyone. This is English Speaker Club Skilling You platform at 4:10 p.m. Wednesday, 11th September. I am Yashpal Rahar. Today's big breaking news: Skilling You is becoming the best place to learn English from, with over 4 lakh students the course pursuing. Now today's headlines: last week Skilling You live session with Amar sir and Sakshi ma'am on Friday and Monday cleared all your confusion. I hope everyone understand it well. Thank you so much. Have you nice evening.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nakshu. I am a student of Skilling You. Today, there is a breaking news. I tell you breaking news now. Breaking news. Skilling You had a, became a best place to study English with 4 lakh students in the course. Headlines. Skilling You's last week, Shakshi ma'am and Amar Chaudhary sir had taken live session and clear our doubts. The breaking news is that because it has many advantages to Skilling You. That Skilling You has completed 4 lakh students in the course and I believe that it became.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanat Kurre. Today, again, I am present before you with a breaking news. Skilling You app is a platform where you can start your English journey as well as improve your English conversation. Literally, friends, it is just a few days. I am feel very happy to find myself at this level. So friend, it is credit goes on only to scaling your family. And friends, I want to tell you that Through this app, we match to practice in free WhatsApp groups and skilling you expert keep observe us and about 4 lakh student practice on the skilling.
Hi everyone, I am Poonam Gupta, the Skilling You TV news reporter. Good evening, everyone. I am present again today with a new breaking news in front of you. As you all know that the craze and importance of English is increasing repeatedly, and everyone wants to learn English. So guys, I have bought for you an app, English app that can help you learn English at a very cheap price at home. Very good mentors of Skilling You. Amar sir and Sakshi ma'am are mentors. More
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am, and all my dear friends. I'm 12 years old. Today, topic of the English spoken clubs Skilling You has a today topic of breaking news. Let's start the today topic of breaking news spoken English. Good evening, sir and ma'am, and all my dear friends. Today breaking news is a Skilling You update of a WhatsApp and YouTube. It a spoken English WhatsApp group of the practice student. Madam, my name is Divas Pandey from Mumbai. My today's topic is reporter. Let's begin. Welcome back, Master Blaster News Channel. Today's breaking. I am from Master Blaster News Channel. Today's breaking news is Skilling You is becoming the best place to learn English from, with our 4 lakh students completing the course. This only become because the Amar sir and Sakshi ma'am, Amar sir and Sakshi ma'am focus on Skilling You. Skilling You is a very good way to learn, very good app to learn the English.
Hello and welcome to the Skilling You news. I am Gurjeet. I am from Skilling You, and today's bulletins are how learners' lives will be different after completing the Skilling You spoken English course. People who will join this course will shine like stars because it is a best platform to learn English. Their confidence will increase day by day. They will access to better and higher paying jobs. Everything seems like an awful task in the beginning. Still, you will and can make it as long as you go for it. I suggest you all to join this course. Thank you for being here today. I wish you all a very good evening. Thank you so much.
Good evening and very warm welcome to you in our news channel. You are watching Skilling You TV and I am Brijlal Sharma from Skilling You. And the breaking news from our channel is that everyone can complete the dream of becoming a good speaker of English with very few amount. By joining this course, you feel gradually a tremendous change in your behavior and personality. In this course, our experts are very talented and they teach you with the best technique of the world. Mr. Amar Chaudhary is the best teacher who teaches as well as motivated you to speak in English. Each and everyone can understand this simple and unique method of teaching. And your grammar portion will be covered by Sakshi ma'am. She is a perfect teacher of grammar and group admin of WhatsApp group. A group of learners join that group and she gives new challenges every day. And you have to send a video of the assignment work, and Sakshi ma'am gives you tips and do and don'ts in your fluency of speaking in English. So why are you late and what are you thinking? I strongly recommend you to join this course, and you are lucky one to getting this opportunity. By joining this course, you can become a good speaker and develop your personality as well as earn money by motivating the other peoples also. Thank you so much for watching our news channel, and see you very soon. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.
Hello everybody, I am Priyanka Verma. I am a student from Skilling You TV, and second name is exciting name is English Bolo Bedharak. I am coming in front of you latest news. Today's latest news is that Skilling You is becoming the best place to learn English from, with over 4 lakh students completed the course. So let's know how we are getting a chance to practice daily here, and vocabs is being delivered every day. A lot more here, like that recorded lecture, live session, and doubt clearing session, and group practicing. Doubt clearing session is attended by Amar Chaudhary sir, and grammar portion is attended by Sakshi ma'am, and our problem of speaking in English is being solved for just only 720 rupees. That's all, not all. If you will share this, you get back 100 rupees. So this happened right, more bang for your buck. So let's join, and now we leave. We will meet again with a new day and new news. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am Saurabh Prajapati, and you are watching iSkilling You News Network, where we give you the most exciting update from the world of online learning and self-improvement. Breaking news: Skilling You is the best platform to learn English. Skilling You is the best platform to learn mastering English language, with over 4 lakh students completing their spoken English journey. It's clear that learners across the country are choosing Skilling You because its innovative and effective teaching methods are very effective to enhance your English speaking skills. Learners are finding that they can practice, improve, and in English with personalized lesson plans and engaging content. When you check the feedback of Skilling You learners to be the very positive feedback, give the learners for Skilling You speaking English speaking course, then you definitely learn English from the Skilling You. Today's headlines: last week's live season with Amar sir and Sakshi ma'am was a game changer to speaking English journey. So last week Skilling You hosted an incredible live session with the dynamic duo Amar sir and Sakshi ma'am, and it was nothing short of game changer for all learners. They tackle some of the most confusing aspects of English grammar and pronunciation that have troubled learners of for years. Amar sir gives the practical tips and Sachi ma'am engaging explanation of the harder English rules. Today's top bulletin: how completing Skilling you spoken English course will transform learners' lives. Looking ahead, those who completing Skilling you spoken English course will see their lives transformed in remarkable ways. They will gain the skills to express themselves fluently and confidently in English, opening doors to new career opportunities, academic seasons, and personal growth. Learners will no longer feel if you learn for the English speaking English for the Skilling you, then definitely your future is upgradable and bright. So thank you everyone.